Hello and welcome to the presentation about the brand Dalal Beauty. My name is Berovan Khalil, I'm the brand owner. I would like to inform you a little bit about myself. I am 37 years old, I'm Kurdish Armenian and grew up in Germany. I have a bachelor in human resources and have worked at Deutsche Bank and Lufthansa in the human resources department in Frankfurt am Main in Germany. I have been living in Kuwait since 2012. Now I would like to tell you more about the timeline of Dalal Beauty. Dalal Beauty was founded in 2015. We started with 6 different styles of lashes. Dalal is an Arabic word which means beautiful, sweet and wonderful. Our vision was to create something beautiful, sweet and wonderful, just like the name. That is why we have chosen the name Dalal, which was also inspired by my daughter's name Dalal. Within 1 year, we extended our portfolio from 6 to 16 lashes styles, as you can see. In 2017, the organizer of Alessandro Alcantara's masterclass, Alessandro Alcantara is an international makeup artist. They asked us if we want to be one of the sponsors for his masterclass in Kuwait. Our road towards success began, and in 2018 we signed an exclusive agreement with Boutiquard, the online shopping application in Middle East. We are now available in more than 60 boutiques inside Boutiquard. And in 2019 we opened our online store www.dalalbeauty.com. You might be wondering how we became so successful. We highly believe in quality over quantity. The importance of our product quality is our #1 concern. That is why our products are known for their quality. We care immensely about our customers and our partners. We do everything possible to ensure that they feel special and are satisfied. We follow up with them, we visit beauty fairs worldwide, we visit events and exhibitions in order to keep updated. We also have an independent production control. In 2019 we started establishing in the GCC market. Starting end of July 2020 we will launch more than 6 new lashes styles, makeup tools and beauty products. Stay tuned for that. Because of the pandemic this year, our plan for 2020 and 2021 became combined into one business year. So we shall continue what we have started in 2020 in 2021, but with more power. In our online shop you can order from worldwide countries, but our goal is to be available worldwide also in the offline section. So 2023 we want to be established and recognized as a quality brand in the international makeup industry. Now let's have a look at our project progress. The makeup is 20% in progress. To launch high quality makeup takes time, and we want to make use of that time. We are not in a hurry. As you can see, we are halfway done with our makeup accessories. Eyelashes are 95% done. This will always stay 95% once we have our basic collection and always launch new styles on top of it. It will never reach 100%. Innovations never reach 100%. So now let's take a quick look at our product line. We start with eyelashes, which are our main products. As you can see, some are 3D and some regular mink. What is the difference? It's easy. 3D means 3-dimensional and looks more natural than regular mink, which only one line of hair. Our lashes are reusable 20 until 25 times with proper care. Some clients use them even more than 30 times. As you can see, we cater to all eye shapes and all tastes. We have dramatic lashes as well as very natural eyelashes. As you can see, the names Pretty Queen, Riri and Sheikha. Our glue is super popular. It's white but turns into a clear tone once it dries. It's also fast drying. You can apply the lashes immediately after adding the glue on the eyelash band. So the next products are the sponge holder. We are the only company in Kuwait who offers this kind of sponge holder. This looks better on the makeup table and keeps the sponges clean instead of staining the makeup table. The next one is our Fabulash Human and Silk Hair Lashes box. At the moment it's sold out, but it will be again available in January 2021. So these are the packaging style we have as our main packaging style, and the color is pink. So let's take a look at the makeup artists and influencers we sponsor. We work with many artists and influencers. Here are some of the best. As you can see, Booba is a Lebanese makeup artist, one of the best. Alessandro Alcantara, Edison Oliver, both from Brazil. Rihanna, she's from Bahrain, and Hind Al Jalil from Dubai. So here also some of the top influencers here in the Middle East who also used our lashes, like Sara Ashkanani, Rawan Dana Al Tuerish, and Mezna Hamdan. She's from Dubai. So in 2019 we launched our first lashes collection with Mezna Hamdan. She's a blogger from Dubai, and we continue with Ala Al Habib, an influencer here from Kuwait. Each of the girls decided to create 3 lashes with us, and more collaborations are coming soon. Stay tuned. Also, we always make sure we collaborate with influencers or artists who really love lashes. So let's take a look at our customers. Our customers are Bodycard, Carrefour, and many multi-brand shops, and over 50 beauty salons in Kuwait. Of course, one of the best beauty salons in Kuwait. And also, we are very happy to have an exclusive agreement for the online business with one of the biggest pharmacy group in Kuwait, the Royal Pharmacies. So, our current markets, as you can see, for now are GCC countries, Germany and USA, Denver, but soon the whole US market. So, these are our social media accounts. Follow us for more details. And thank you for your attention. Goodbye.